Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to start the new topic, that is different strands within the movement. So we have seen in the last class about the Khilafat movement and Satyagraha, about Jallianwala Bagh. Now we'll see the next movements after Jallianwala Bagh. Okay. So now the next movement was the non-cooperation movement or the Khilafat movement, and it was launched by Mahatma Gandhi, and he added with him Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Hence, the non-cooperation movement changed into Khilafat movement. Alright, so it was launched in January 1921. Who initiated? Mahatma Gandhi with the help of Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. And then in this movement, because Hindu and Muslims both were there, so many social groups participated and all interpreted the meaning of Swaraj in their own way. What is the meaning of Swaraj? Means our own control, our own independent kind of a thing. So for every social group, independence and Swaraj was different. So when this movement started, everybody was trying to interpret this movement in their own way. Hence, everybody participated in full swing, right? So as we said that Swaraj was different for every social group. So what were the movements that were happening in the town? Thousands of students left government schools. Means those government schools which were run, obviously the government was the British government. So the schools that were run by the British governments, students left the schools in order to protest. Okay, they can't fight, they can't do anything wrong, no violence was allowed. So simply what did they do? They just left the schools. Headmasters and teachers resigned. Obviously they were also working for the British government, so teachers also resigned. Lawyers gave up their legal practices. Obviously the government was the British one, so the lawyers also gave up their practices. Foreign goods were boycotted and foreign clothes were burnt in huge bonfires. So the main thing, like what is happening right now, we have boycotted China good because they are trying to come in our borders. So we have also boycotted the China goods. Similarly, at that time when Swaraj was introduced, so they all boycotted the foreign goods. Nobody used the foreign clothes. They all burned the clothes in the bonfire, and they started using their own clothes. Own clothes means the own products, homemade products like khadi and all. But the problem started. Why were the movements slowed down? It was not so that they were going on in the same pace only. The movement slowed down. Why? Because first reason, the khadi was expensive. Obviously if we are producing khadi, it is expensive. And secondly, there were lack of institutions. Lack of institutions means there were very less number of people who could guide the people to what to do. Okay, the movement had started, but till when? So there was no proper vision in that. Therefore there was a rebellion in countryside. Rebellion means people started fighting. What did they started doing? Peasants had to do beggar and work at landlords' farms without any payments. Baba Ramchandra and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru set up Oat Kishan Sabhas. They demanded the abolition of beggar system. Many people misinterpreted the ideas of Gandhi. So during all these movements, still there was a group of people called peasants, and they had to work. Beggar means without any payment, because उस time पर क्या होता था, बंधुआ मजदूरी, bonded labor kind of a thing, that if somebody in your family has taken loan in in your ancestry system, then the next generations will have to pay their loans as a bonded slave, bonded labor. So peasants were working without any payment. They are just working for the sake of working. So they all, what do they set up? They set up Kisan Sabha. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Baba Ramchandra set up these sabhas, and what do they demanded? They demanded the abolition of beggar system, that now if anybody is working, you have to pay. But many people misinterpreted the ideas of Gandhi ji. See, because there were no proper institution कि जो उनके ideas को properly सब तक पहुँचा सके. So this idea of Swaraj and non-cooperation, this Khilafat, this was not properly interpreted by the people, and this led to lot of chaos and confusion. Hence this rebellion slowed down. Then Swaraj in plantation. The government had passed the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, under which plantation workers were not permitted to leave the fields. So, workers interpreted the Gandhi Raj. They violated the act and hence they were beaten by the police. Now, what happened in the plantations where a particular crop is grown, that is plantation, everybody know. So, there was this act passed that nobody is allowed, no workers are allowed to leave the plantations in any case. Okay, but this everything was Swaraj was going on. So what happened, these workers interpreted the Gandhi Raj. They said that okay, we are not allowed to leave the fields, we will leave. Why? Because Gandhi ji has told for the Swaraj, and they violated the act. They didn't follow the act, they left the field, and hence later they were beaten up by the police. So all these things, the peasants, the plantation workers, the other workers, everybody was suffering on their own level, and the movement was not successfully going on. Now what happened in February 1922? The Gandhi withdrew his movement because there was no proper channel, no proper law that was being followed, and he decided to train Indians before any mass struggle. So later he decided that if he had to organize any mass struggle on a big level, first he has to train all the Indians that what to do and what not to do.